Welcome to Baker, California, a small desert town in the heart of the Mojave Desert along Interstate 15. If you're driving between Los Angeles and Las Vegas, this is one of the most well-known stopovers along the route. Baker is located about 180 miles northeast of Los Angeles and roughly 90 miles southwest of Las Vegas. Standing tall here is one of America's most unique roadside landmarks, the world's tallest thermometer. Rising 134 feet into the desert sky, it was built to represent the extreme heat this region is famous for. As we take in these incredible aerial views, you can see the vast Mojave Desert stretching endlessly in every direction, surrounded by mountains and open desert land. Baker gives a real sense of the harsh but beautiful California desert landscape. If you're enjoying these drone shots, take a quick moment to subscribe to my channel. It really helps me bring more travel and aerial videos like this. And drop a comment below if you've ever stopped here or seen the world's tallest thermometer on your road trip. The thermometer was built in 1991 by Willis Heron and stands 134 feet tall to honor the record 134 GF temperature recorded in nearby Death Valley on July 10, 1913, still one of the hottest temperatures ever recorded on Earth. Over time, it has become a true symbol of Baker and a favorite stop for travelers heading between Los Angeles and Las Vegas. Whether people stop for photos, food, or a quick break, it remains a must-see roadside attraction. From above, the structure stands out dramatically against the desert floor, making it even more impressive from a drone perspective. Thanks for watching this aerial journey over Baker, California. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more drone adventures and hidden travel gems.